Hello, everyone. My name is Leah Patterson. I am your transformation and wellness mentor. I specialize in holistic beauty and skincare, and this is another Astro Skincare video. And today we're going to be talking all about the moon in Virgo, sun in Virgo, and even just if we're in Virgo season and how that might be affecting your skin. So stay tuned for some more information about that. So the sun in Virgo. So Virgo season, let's talk about Virgo season. Virgo season is kind of we're actually heading into Virgo season, depending on what time you're watching this video. And if you think about Virgo, that energy is very it's very purifying, it's very cleansing, it's very orderly energy, it's very if you think of it in terms of skincare type of stuff, it's very astringent, very cleansing, very detoxifying, um, very in alignment, very methodical type of energy. So, depending on kind of where your particular astrological chart, where Virgo is in your astrological chart, and depending on the season that we're in, it kind of will kind of make a difference of what you'll see kind of showing up in your skin. So, if you happen to be a Virgo sun, like your sun sign in astrological or in Western astrology is Virgo, then you might, and if your skin is like in balance and it's fine, it's not breaking out or anything like that, then you probably are doing a really good job of keeping your skin very balanced. Keeping your skin, doing treatments, like you're probably having the right amount of a detoxification, the right amount of astringency for your skin. You're probably using a really good toner. You're probably doing mask on a semi-regular basis. Your cleanser is probably not too heavy. But basically, these things about kind of keeping your skin in balance. So, and like I said, one of the things that's really important about Virgo is that continual cleansing process, right? So, making sure that the skin, that you are helping the skin to continuously kind of cleanse itself. So, whatever that means, if that's doing things internally, if that's doing things just with the products that you're using, you're doing a really good job of that. So, yay. If you are a Virgo and your skin is out of whack, so you feel like, your skin is extra inflamed, it's extra breaking out, it's really dry or really very, very oily, whatever the extreme is, what you need to bring your skin back into balance is more than likely a detoxifying type of treatment. And regardless if your skin is too dry or regardless if your skin is too oily, in most cases, there is a lot of congestion in your skin that's causing it. So your skin could be presenting as dry, for instance, because it is fooled or covered with a layer of dead skin cells. So you would still need something very detoxifying and clarifying to get rid of those dead skin cells to kind of create that balance. If your skin is presenting as super oily, again, that's a lot of congestion, and you'd still need something fairly astringent and clarifying to clear that over oil production, the toxins that have gotten caught up in the oil, and then also to kind of help those. You need something nourishing to go deep into the core of your skin to help nourish it to stop those. Oil glands from overproducing oil. So, regardless, still, you need something that's going to be clarifying and cleansing. If your moon is in Virgo, you can definitely kind of look to, especially if your skin is in imbalance, you can look to like your emotions and what's going on with your emotional state to help you kind of the get your skin back into balance. So you can look at like what's going on in terms of um, being out of whack or overrun, overwhelmed. Those are the kind of things that can happen with imbalanced Virgo energy, or being too neurotic about things needing to be orderly, or things needing to be purified, or things needing to be um, clean, or um, very, very the word I keep coming to is very stringent. So if you find that that's happening in your actual world, emotionally in your world, then you can look to see, okay, this could be why this is presenting on my skin because I'm having this imbalance in my external world. And my internal world is not able to handle it. And so, again, the same things that I talked about with the sun in Virgo would be the types of treatments that you want to do with your moon in Virgo, and it would be things that would be more long-term treatments that need to kind of go to the core of things. So a lot of treatments that are not just surface or appearance-wise treatments, but treatments that are very nurturing and kind of go to the core of actually changing how your skin is operating, or trying to kind of changing what, like making healthy skin cells come to the surface. So hopefully that kind of makes sense. And if you have any questions about any of the stuff that I'm talking about, feel free to ask in the comments. Feel free to send me a personal message. This is something that I enjoy talking about, and I enjoy talking about the nuances of looking at the astrology, comparing it with your skin, what's going on with your skin. And the last thing for just anyone, even regardless if your sun is in Virgo or your moon is in Virgo or your ascendant's in Virgo, if we're just in a Virgo time, I do these little astro skincare shares throughout the weeks as the moon moves through the different signs, just kind of talking about what you could be experiencing in your skin and how you could deal with it. So same thing, like if we're moving into a moon in Virgo time, you can kind of set yourself a plan for that time to do treatments during that time that are very um, deep, nourishing type of treatments that actually are deep drawing types of treatments that will draw out toxins, that will circulate, like increase circulation in your skin to kind of like pull things out from deep that need to come up and need to be cleared out so that your skin can start producing healthier skin cells. So same type of thing, but you want to think about it in terms of what's probably the core of this that I'm seeing on my skin, and how can I utilize the energy that's in the universe at the time. How can I utilize that energy to help me reach my goals? And we kind of always think about that just in terms of our bigger goals, but we rarely think about that in terms of our physiology. But you can absolutely apply that same thing to your physiology as well, and that's what we're doing with this astral skincare kind of connection. So again, if you have any questions, let me know. This video is, like I said, it's going to be just the beginning. It's the start of this kind of astral skincare series that I'm going to be offering here on YouTube. I'm really excited about it, so please give me your feedback. Let me know. You can get your own astral skincare profile at astroskincare.com. And you can also join my Patreon, which is at patreon.com/Leah Patterson Wellness. And I do a special class in this kind of area each month for my Patreons at the $14 tier. And I'm always providing special videos and things that are not just astrology and skincare, but kind of are talking about the emotional issues and things as well. And I will be posting more videos, so definitely subscribe to the station, or to the channel. Subscribe, like, and share. I really appreciate it, and thank you so much.